Hi, my name's Ilan Elberg and I'm the Managing Director at GIA. GIA specialises in design and construction of residential spaces. So we do a lot of renovations, extensions, and really just for homeowners that are looking to transform their homes and elevate their living spaces. We love working on beautifully designed residential renovations and extensions. We have an award-winning design team and they get to design really amazing spaces, and it's wonderful to be able to create those for the clients. We're passionate about transforming homes for our clients. We get to design these amazing spaces with them. We get to build those spaces and then see them move into their new homes and really fall in love with the space. Kitchens are always the heart of the home. That's where families spend the most amount of their time. They cook there, they eat together. It's a really beautiful space that we can create within the home. Bathrooms are obviously very important spaces that clients are using every day. We like to look at them as a bit of a sanctuary that we can create where people really enjoy the space rather than it just being any other bathroom. We have an amazing design team. They're the ones that bring all of the designs to life for our clients. We then have our operations team. They're also very talented. They get all the jobs ready for construction and they're very diligent about bringing all the different details that are in the design together to be ready for the build. And then we have our construction team, and they're the ones that are really making sure that on site it's executed with quality and the plans and the design is followed. So our entire team is focused on our clients and them having an amazing experience throughout the whole process. Quite often a renovation can be quite a stressful experience, and our team is really focused on delivering this entire process for the clients and for them to have a really enjoyable experience throughout the entire process. There's many things that make us stand apart from others in the industry. Firstly, we're a design and construction company, which means that we assist clients through the entire process and they don't have to go anywhere else to organise any parts of their construction process. We also have a real focus on creating an amazing design, which means our clients don't have any limitations with what they're wanting to achieve within their renovation. We work through the design in detail with them, getting their feedback throughout all the stages. If you're looking to transform your home and would like to discuss the next steps in the process, please feel free to reach out via our website or the phone number below.